doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in a room, it's a difficult Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do.